Namaste everyone. In this video we shall find the value of sine 75 degrees. This problem is from a chapter called Trigonometric Functions of class 11 CBSE. So we will see what is the value of sine 75 degrees. Up to 10th standard you have learnt how to find trigonometric ratios of some angles called specific angles. If you recall, the specific angles were 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. These 5 angles were called as specific angles. You know what is sine 0 degrees, 30 degrees, sine 45 degrees, sine 60 degrees and sine 90 degrees. In fact, we know the values of all trigonometric ratios of these specific angles. But here 75 degrees, we need to find out what is the value of sine 75 degrees. 75 degrees, as you can observe, is not one of the specific angles. So how do we find it? So sine 75 degrees can be written as sine. This 75 degrees I will split it as 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. 75 degrees I'm going to split as 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. 30 plus 45 will give you 75. Why did I split as 30 and 45? Why not as 16 and 60 degrees and 15 degrees or some of any other two angles? Yes, these two angles are the specific angles, and we know the value of sine 30 and we know the value of cos 45 degrees. In fact, we know the value of all the 6 trigonometric ratios for these two angles. That's why I have split 75 degrees as 30 degrees and 45 degrees. Now here we need to use a trigonometric identity which is called as sine A plus B trigonometric identity. So here this can be written as sine A cos B plus cos A sin B, cos A sin B. In fact, I've created a short video on some of the trigonometric identities which will be useful for class 11 students. You may please look into that short. It is available in my channel Vinayaka AV. Coming back to this, now sine 75 degrees, which can be written as sine 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. If you compare this sine 30 degrees plus 45 degrees with sine of A plus B, you will see that A value is 30 degrees and B value is 45 degrees. So sine 30 degrees plus 45 degrees can be written as sine A cos B. So sine 30 degrees cos 45 degrees plus cos A, that is cos 30 degrees sine B. Sine B value is how much? 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Now we know the value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. Sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. So 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2 plus the root 3 into 1 is root 3 by 2 root 2. So the LCM will be 2 root 2. It is 1 plus root 3. So this is the value of sine 30 degrees plus 45 degrees, which is nothing but sine 75 degrees. Generally we don't want an irrational number in the denominator. We would like to rationalize the denominator. So how to rationalize it? So here the denominator is becoming irrational because of root 2. Root 2 is irrational, as you know. So we will rationalize it by multiplying the numerator and denominator by root 2. So this will rationalize the denominator. So it will be root 1 into root 2 is root 2 plus root 3 into root 2 is root 6 by 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So root 2 into root 2 is 2. So this will be root 2 plus root 6 by 4. So what is the value of sine 75 degrees? Sine 75 degrees is root 2 plus root 6 by 4. So this is the value of sine 75 degrees. This is one of the questions asked in NCERT textbook of class 11. So this is how you will find out the value of sine 75 degrees. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe like and share. Thank you again.